Hi everyone, Erin here with Mended Hearts Quilting and Boutique in Ellsworth, Iowa. And today we are going to talk about Satin Stitch F and Open Toe Satin Stitch F2. And if you've watched our other videos, you know that we've been using the presser foot workbook from Janome. So we're going to keep right along with that and keep going. Here's some examples of some of the stitches you can use with the F2 and the F foot. And the difference between these 2 feet is this is the F2 foot and it's completely open in here. So you can see exactly where you're stitching at. And the F2, which we're going to use today, is closed and it has a little red arrow to help line up your fabric. Now when you're using decorative stitches, satin stitches, applique stitches, any of those, you want to make sure to put a interfacing on the back to stabilize your fabric. So I have fused that, and then I have a little white square here just so you can see what the stitching will look like. And this is a good foot to use for applique stitches, quilting stitches, satin stitch, decorative stitches, anything, zigzag stitches, anything you need that opening for. And I'm just gonna line it up. And I like to manually put my needle up and down before I start my applique so I can make sure I'm starting in the right spot. And this is the blanket stitch. And so the foot's clear so you can see where you're stitching at. And in real time, for video purposes, I had it turned up all the way. If I was doing this at home, I would not sew that fast, just so I can make sure I was getting an accurate stitch. And one other thing I wanted to show you, with most of your Janome machines, you have a start-stop button, so that's how I'm starting this. And again, I normally wouldn't sew on full speed for something like this because I want my stitches to be nice and accurate. When I'm getting towards the bottom here, I'm going to hold my start-stop button, and it's going to take another stitch. And then I can make sure I'm ending exactly at the end of my fabric. So again, using the satin foot or the satin stitch foot F or the open-toed satin stitch foot, which is the F2, is what you would want for decorative stitches, for your applique stitches, some of your quilting stitches, satin stitches, all that kind of stuff. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Make sure to like and share our video, and find us, if you like this video, go watch our other ones from previous days. Thank you.